Hello, and welcome to What in the World, your daily AI news update. I'm Isabella Yuha, and today is Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. We're diving deep into how AI is changing our job market right now, what's coming within the next year, and what to expect in the next 5 years. Artificial intelligence has quickly moved from being a buzzword to a part of everyday work. As of October 2025, many companies use AI in their daily tasks. In fact, a Stanford report showed that 78% of organizations were using AI in 2024, a big jump from 55% just the year before. This rapid change is due to the rise of new AI tools that help with everything from writing emails to managing factory lines. Companies are investing heavily, with over $100 billion in the US last year, hoping AI will make things more efficient. While this has boosted productivity, it's also making us ask big questions about job security and the future of work. So, what jobs are being impacted? AI is taking over roles that are repetitive or involve lots of data. In software development, about 3/4 of developers now use AI assistants to write code faster. Customer service is also seeing big changes, with AI chatbots and voice bots handling routine questions, which can cut support costs by about 23%. Even in finance, around 70% of U.S. stock trading is now done by AI algorithms. Creative fields are feeling it too, as AI can quickly create articles or ad copy. One freelance writer even shared how she lost several writing and editing jobs to AI. In warehouses, AI-guided robots are taking over tasks like assembly and packing. If you've been job hunting, you might feel like it's harder than before, and AI is a big reason. By 2025, an estimated 83% of companies will use AI to screen resumes. This means algorithms, not humans, often decide if your application makes the first cut, sometimes rejecting resumes in as little as 0.3 seconds if keywords don't match. Companies like Google get about 75,000 applications a week, and AI helps them manage this huge volume. The ease of applying online has also tripled the number of applicants per job since 2021. Plus, many companies are now thinking about an AI solution before hiring someone for a task. Real people are feeling this shift. One viral post described a dystopian AI-driven job interview where the human recruiter only did a vibe check, leaving the rest to an AI program. The applicant was later rejected by the algorithm, with feedback saying they didn't vibe hard enough with the computer. It can feel dehumanizing. Many job seekers are now learning to beat the bots by optimizing their resumes with keywords. However, 66% of U.S. adults say they would avoid applying for jobs that rely heavily on AI in hiring. Big companies are deeply integrating AI. Amazon, for example, aims to automate up to 75% of its warehouse operations in the coming years. Internal documents show Amazon expects its robots to replace over 600,000 jobs by 2033 in its U.S. operations. This could mean eliminating about 160,000 positions by 2027, saving billions. An economist even noted that Amazon, one of the largest U.S. employers, could become a net job destroyer. IBM also made news in 2023 when its CEO announced a hiring pause for roles AI could do, estimating about 7,800 jobs, or 30% of its non-customer-facing roles, might be replaced by AI within 5 years. Globally, 40% of employers expect to reduce staff in roles where AI can perform the work. AI is changing how we get hired too. About 43% of companies now use AI-driven interviews as a first screening. These often involve recorded video Q&A sessions where AI analyzes your words, tone, and even facial expressions. In fact, 63% of companies plan to use AI facial analysis in video interviews by 2025. Candidates have described these experiences as surreal, like interviewing with AI Sam, a polite but synthetic voice. While AI can interview hundreds of candidates, offering more people a chance, there are concerns about new biases, as some AI systems have unfairly scored people with certain accents. New York City has even passed laws requiring audits of AI hiring tools for bias. In India, the large IT and business process outsourcing industry is facing a unique challenge. Hiring in the business process management sector has slowed dramatically, seeing less than 17,000 new jobs in the last 2 years compared to over 130,000 previously. An AI startup in Bengaluru even claims its generative AI agents can help companies cut 80% of their human support staff. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi believes technology changes work and creates new jobs, with some forecasts suggesting AI could create 2.3 million new jobs in India by 2027 in tech and related sector. However, some experts worry India isn't fully prepared for this fast disruption. Across Europe, the impact is also significant. Surveys show 41% of European bosses say AI is letting them reduce employee numbers. Nearly a third consider an AI solution before recruiting for a new vacancy. Entry-level jobs are particularly affected, with 2 in 5 companies reporting cuts in junior roles due to AI. The EU is also proactive, working on its AI Act to set rules for high-risk AI systems. While AI may displace some jobs, PwC projects it could create 12 million new jobs in the European Union by 2030, especially in tech and data science. So, how can we adapt for the future? Experts suggest embracing lifelong learning to continuously update your skills. Nearly half of employees want more formal AI training from their employers. Focus on uniquely human skills like creativity, problem solving, empathy, and leadership, as these complement AI tools. Look for hybrid roles that combine human judgment with AI capabilities. Stay agile and open to change, as career paths might look more like a ladder than a lifestyle. Network and stay informed about how AI is affecting your industry. Finally, advocate for yourself and others by asking employers about their AI use and pushing for responsible implementation. The future belongs to those who can partner with AI, becoming augmented rather than automated. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.